With the Manage Cost Rates Plan app, you can plan cost rates for cost center activities. The cost rates are used in activity allocations to production orders, as well as in material costing. Let's take a look at some rates that have been defined so far. I filter on the cost center. Then I remove the currency filter in order to see all of my cost rates. Now I'll add a new cost rate. This cost rate will be valid beginning with period 1. I enter the fixed and variable portions of the rate and then save it. Now I'll create a rate that's valid beginning with period 7. I can simply copy the other rate and then change the from period. If I add the to period and to fiscal year fields to the view, I see that the app has automatically adjusted the ending period so that the rates don't overlap. Since costs are rising rapidly, I'll set this rate to go up starting in period 7. The timeline shows a graph of the changes in the cost rate over the last 3 years, and I can use the graph to view details of the rate that was valid at any given point. Cost rates can also be easily deleted. I can upload cost rates from a spreadsheet with just a few clicks. The template for this is available directly within the app. I simply download it, enter my cost rates, and upload it. And that's how easy the Manage Cost Rates Plan app makes my work. Let it help you too.